What's up, EvoWorld players? Rocket, today I've got something huge for you, brand new bonus codes and a chance to grab free gems, so stick around till the end. Hand waving, hey everyone. Welcome back to EvoWorld, it's your boy Gaming Legend here, and today I'm going to show you the best ways to collect gems in EvoWorld.io super fast. If you want to upgrade quicker and dominate the game, make sure to stick till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that most players don't know about. Alright, so first let's start with the basics. Gems in EvoWorld are super important. You need them for skins, upgrades, and of course to flex on your friends. Right arrow, the easiest way to get gems is by simply playing and surviving longer. The more XP you earn, the more gem rewards you can collect at milestones. Now, here's where most players miss out. EvoWorld gives you daily rewards and quests. Make sure you log in every day. Even if you don't play much, just logging in daily stacks up free gems over time. Light bulb pro tip. Always check your quest tab before playing, because you can complete them while grinding and double your gems. Next up, special events. EvoWorld sometimes drops limited time events where you can get bonus gems just by participating. Keep an eye out for announcements in the game. Fire, and yes, EvoWorld also releases bonus codes that you can redeem for free gems. I'll drop some of the latest codes in the description below, so don't forget to check that out. Okay, here's the bonus tip I promised. Did you know that playing in party mode with friends can actually help you grind gems faster? Since you survive longer and complete more quests as a team, your gem count goes up way quicker compared to solo grinding. Teamwork equals more gems. So that's how you can collect gems in EvoWorld easily. Play smart, claim your daily rewards, use codes, and don't miss events. If this video helped you, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more EvoWorld tips, and drop a comment if you want me to cover secret tricks for skins next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next EvoWorld adventure.